How to get hunter eyes. The eyes are super important on your face because they help you understand others and show how healthy you are. Hunter eyes are when your eyes look deep set, giving your face a cool look. Models often have this style, but if your eyes stick out too much, it can be a problem. So how can you get hunter eyes? Sadly, there aren't any quick fixes to get hunter eyes. Some surgeries can change how your eyes look, but they might not give you the deep set look you want. The best way to get hunter eyes is by doing something called mewing. Mewing is a way to change how your face looks over time. It's about keeping your tongue in the right place in your mouth to help your face grow in the right way. Some people believe that if you do this right, your eye area can change too, making your eyes look more deep set like hunter eyes. Before we start talking about why that happens, let's understand what hunter eyes are. These eyes are set deep into the skull, and how far back they are depends on the way your orbit bones are shaped. Hunter eyes are mostly determined by our genes, meaning it's something we're born with. Even some models have big eye sockets, and some of them also have hunter eyes. But if you keep good posture and chew hard foods all your life, you can put enough pressure on the upper jaw to make the eye sockets squish down a bit, but it takes a long time. This makes the eyes look more compact vertically, which is the main thing about hunter eyes. The shape of the eyes is also important for hunter eyes. They're straight, deep, hooded, wide side to side, but narrow up and down, and they tilt upwards at the outer corners. This is called a positive canthal tilt. So even though genes have a big say in whether you have hunter eyes or not, there are things you can do to make them more likely. Keeping good posture and chewing hard foods can help squish down the eye sockets over time. And having eyes that are straight, deep, hooded, wide side to side but narrow up and down, and tilted upwards at the outer corners is what makes them really stand out. Let's talk about how eyes can look different. Some people have eyes that are deep inside their skull, while others have eyes that stick out more. It might seem strange, but these differences are actually adaptations our bodies have made over time. The bulging eyes you see in some animals, like rabbits or deer, help them see more of what's around them. This is because they're always on the lookout for predators. It's like they're always in a state of alertness, called the sympathetic state. On the other hand, animals like lions, who aren't usually worried about being hunted, have eyes that are set deeper, and they spend a lot of time in a relaxed state, called the parasympathetic state. Here's where it gets interesting. People with eyes like lions tend to be more laid back, while those with eyes like prey animals often feel more stressed. This stress comes from their bodies being stuck in that alert mode too often. And guess what? It's often linked to how they breathe. When we're stressed, we tend to breathe faster and through our mouths. This kind of breathing can make the stress even worse. People with bulging eyes often have this fast mouth breathing pattern, which keeps them in that stressed out state. This can lead to all sorts of problems like a forward head posture and inflammation behind the eyes, making them bulge even more. But by practicing better breathing habits, like the BCO method A, we can help our bodies relax more and balance out that stress response. It's like giving our bodies a reset button, helping us feel calmer and more at ease, just like those lions lounging in the sun. Another way to get hunter eyes is lateral canthoplasty, a surgery that moves the outer corner of the eye up. The surgeon makes a small cut on the outer part of your eye. They detach and then reattach a tendon to lift the corner of your eye. This makes your eye look more open. Some people also have an epicanthoplasty to make their eyes wider. This is popular in Asia, where small eyes are not always liked. Canthopexy is also similar. It uses stitches instead of cuts. But a full canthoplasty usually gives better and longer lasting results, especially when done by a skilled surgeon. This surgery can change how your eyes look a lot, but it doesn't change how deep your eyes are set. It might help make a hunter eye shape. Even though these surgeries can make your eyes look better, they don't change how deep set your eyes are. But they can help create a hunter eye look, which means your outer corners are more noticeable and lifted. Sometimes, not having enough nutrients can make your body's stress system, the SNS, work too hard. Key nutrients like magnesium, calcium, and zinc are important for keeping stress levels in check. But it's not just these. Things like cholesterol, collagen, vitamins A, D, E, K, and all the B vitamins, and various minerals matter too. eating whole foods and traditional meals can help you get these nutrients. If you focus on your breathing and eat well, you'll likely feel calmer because your SNS won't be as active, and your PSNS can take over. Another thing to think about is bone mass, especially around the eyes. This is influenced by whether you're male or female because of the hormones in your body. Guys usually have more bone mass because they have more of certain hormones like testosterone. These hormones help build bone mass. If you want more bone mass around your eyes, boosting these hormones is important. And one easy and cheap way to do that is to let the sun shine on your testicles. Sunlight has special light that gives your cells more energy. When your cells in the gonads get more energy from sunlight, they can make more testosterone. In fact, better sleep can boost testosterone levels by up to 200%, according to a study from way back in 1939. As an athlete, I found that getting enough shut-eye is super important for my body to recover well. I usually aim for 9 to 10 hours of sleep each night because that's what works best for me, though everyone's different. If you're having trouble falling asleep, try limiting your exposure to blue light before bed. You can do this by changing your phone screen to orange or wearing special glasses. I also like to drink chamomile tea before bed and use mouth tape to help me sleep better. If you're looking for a quick boost in testosterone, consider taking supplements like Chilajit and Royal Jelly. These supplements contain fulvic acid and trace minerals that can help with testosterone production. Plus, they can give you more energy and help detox your body. It's also important to work on your cranial tilt, which can affect how attractive you appear. You can do this by practicing good posture and tongue posture, and by doing exercises like tongue chewing and massaging your jaw muscles. These simple techniques can help you achieve a more balanced facial structure and boost your confidence. This often causes imbalances. To fix it, gently press your finger on the inside and your thumb on the outside of your mater muscles to release tension. Since maters can be as strong as a Nile crocodile, it's important to avoid straining your cheekbone. Make sure to relax your maters well. Now, let's talk about eye hooding. The skin covering your upper eyelid, especially important for those with hunter eyes. Visible upper eyelids can make someone look tired or unhealthy. Eye hooding relies on three things: thick brow ridges, good sleep, and making collagen. Collagen is important for the skin above the upper eyelid. To make more collagen, eat foods with vitamin C, copper, zinc, and amino acids like glycine, alanine, proline, and hydroxyproline, found in bone broth, organ meats, and gelatin powder. Don't forget about eyelashes and eyebrows. They're crucial for framing your eyes. To have great lashes and brows, aim for a fast metabolism linked to a hormone called T3, which helps them grow. Avoid seed oils, eat more coconut oil, raw honey, and walk barefoot on grass to boost your metabolism. Or, if you prefer an easy solution, apply castor oil to your brows and lashes at night to make them thicker and longer. So these were the ways. By taking care of your face in a holistic way, you can aim for the look you want while also boosting your overall health and energy.